press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, let us discuss three parts of your first year syllabus for JEE preparation and three parts from your second year syllabus. So in the today's class, let us discuss some questions on relations and functions, complex numbers and quadratic equations, and then to some extent trigonometry. Let us restrict our discussion of today's class for 25 questions. Under that, let us go for the first question. This is a familiar question. If a modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2, then argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2 is equal to, let us assume the arguments of Z1 and Z2 as theta 1 and theta 2. Let us take modulus of Z1 plus Z2 whole square as mod Z1 whole square plus mod Z2 whole square plus 2 into mod Z1 mod Z2 into cos of theta 1 minus theta 2. So for this identity to hold good, this function or this value cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 must be equal to 1. That is, cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 must be equal to 1. It means that theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to 0. So argument of theta 1 is nothing but argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2. This must be equal to 0. So the right option is third option. Second question is also a familiar question. If Z1, Z2, Z3 are complex numbers such that mod Z1 is equal to mod Z2 is equal to mod Z3 is equal to 1 and 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3 is also equal to 1, then modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is. Nodi, ee condition ide andre, suppose nimige mod Z is equal to 1 anno condition ide andre, Z mod Z bar kuda eshtagutte 1 agutte, because the modulus of a complex number and its conjugate are same. Hagidre Z bar value enagibidutte namage 1 agutte. So illi namage ಹೇಳಿರೋದೇನು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 modulus, this must be same as Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar modulus. So this is nothing but mod Z1 bar plus mod Z2 bar plus mod Z3 bar. Mod Z1 bar is nothing but 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3. So that is given to be 1. So modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is also equal to 1. So that is option 2. Third question. The complex number Z is equal to x plus iy, which satisfies the equation mod Z minus 5y divided by Z plus 5y is equal to 1 lies on the x-axis, the straight line, the circle passing through the origin, none of these. So that is mod Z minus 5y must be same as mod Z plus 5y. What is the Z? X plus iy minus 5y, thus that must be equal to x plus iy plus 5y, that is x plus I into y minus 5 is equal to x plus I into y plus 5. You have to take the modulus and then square it. You get x square plus y minus 5 whole square must be equal to x square plus y plus 5 whole square. So now expand this, x square cancel, y square minus 10y plus 25, that must be same as y square plus 10y plus 25, y square cancel, 20y 25 cancel, must be equal to 0. So y is equal to 0, that implies this is nothing but the x-axis. So can you go for first option? Yes. ಇಂಥವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Fourth question. 1 minus I sin theta divided by 1 plus 2I sin theta is purely imaginary, then the principal value of theta is. ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ a plus ib plus ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ c plus id, ದೆನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಲೆಂತಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ನಮಗೆ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಎ ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ 1, ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಸಿ ಈಸ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ 2 ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಈ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. AC plus BD must be 0. AC plus BD must be 0. AC 1 into 1. BD minus sin theta minus 2 sin theta is minus 2 sin square theta. That must be equal to 0. So 2 sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Sin theta is positive. Sin theta is positive means theta must lie in the first quadrant. Sin theta is negative means theta must lie in the third quadrant or fourth quadrant. But here the fourth quadrant value is given. So you can go for plus or minus pi by 4. So which is available in fourth option. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡಿ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The continued product of the cube roots of 3 plus I root 3. Very good question. Question number 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಡಿ ಮೂರಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವು ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೆಲವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿ ಮೂರಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಎರಡನೇದ್ದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಥಿಯೋರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡಿಂದ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡನ್ನು. ನಂತರ ಡಿ ಮೂರಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, n ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, 1, 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆಗ 3 ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 3 ರೂಟ್ಸಿನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 5th ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 7th ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಡ್. ಆಡ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ ರೂಟ್ಸಿನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ 4th ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 6th ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 8th ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದರ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ -3 ಮೈನಸ್ √3i. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ nth roots of x plus iy is x plus iy if n is odd, minus x minus iy if n is even. X plus iy if n is odd, minus x minus iy if n is even. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ರೂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 plus √3i. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. The area of the triangle on the complex plane formed by the complex numbers z minus iz and z plus iz is, this is a standard question, half into mod z whole square. So that option is available in third question. Question number 7, that is also a simple question. Mod z is given to be 4. Amplitude of z is given to be 5 pi by 6. So what is the polar form of a complex number in general? R into e power I theta. So where R is the modulus and theta is the amplitude. What is R here? 4. E power I into what is theta? 5 pi by 6. That is 4 into, this is polar form, this is exponential form. In polar form, cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6. 4 into, this is an allied angle, cos 150 degree, that is cos of 90 plus 60 minus sin 60 minus √3 by 2 plus I into, this is 1 by 2. So 4 into minus √3 plus I divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. That gives you minus 2 √3 plus 2i. That option is available in first option. Next, question number 8. Very simple question. Z plus 3, Z bar plus 3, Z plus 3 into Z bar plus 3 can also be written as Z plus 3 whole bar. So Z, you know this relation, ZZ bar is equal to mod Z whole square. So Z plus 3 into Z plus 3 whole bar must be same as mod Z plus 3 whole square. That is available in first option. Question number 9. Minus 1 plus I √3 by 2 whole power 3n plus minus 1 minus I √3 by 2 whole power 3n. This is the value of omega and this is the value of omega square. So you can write it as omega power 3n plus omega square power 3n, or you can also write it as omega cube whole power n plus omega cube whole power 2n. What is omega cube? 1. 1 power n is 1 plus 1 power 2n is also 1. So that 1 plus 1 gives you 2, which is available in third option. Question number 10. Mod z1 is equal to mod z2 is equal to etc. mod zn is equal to 1. Then modulus of z1 plus z2 plus etc. plus zn must be same as. So again, mod z is equal to mod z bar concept is used. You can go for first option because mod z1 plus plus Zn. This must be same as mod Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 plus etc. plus Zn whole bar, because mod Z value is given to be 1. So therefore mod Z bar value is also 1. Now you can write it as Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar plus Zn bar. 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3 plus etc. plus 1 by Zn. So that is available in first option. These 10 questions I have selected from the complex numbers. In complex numbers you can have some more very good questions also. Please work those questions properly. Concentrate on the papers which have been appeared in the previous year's JEE exams. Now let us move towards the statistics. Question number 11. This is a problem on relations and functions. F of x is equal to 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. So what is f of cos x? 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. But what is asked? F of cos x 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x whole divided by 1 plus 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. So that is 1 plus cos x is the LCM. 1 plus cos x minus 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x plus 1 minus cos x. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 cos x plus cos x minus cos x cancel, 2. That is 2 cos x by 2, which is same as cos x, that is available in option 3. Question number 12. This is also a simple question. F of x is given to be 4x minus x square. And also he has given f of a, we are asked f of a plus 1 minus f of a minus 1. This is nothing but if you take x as a common factor, then you get 4 minus x. F of a plus 1 minus f of a minus 1. What is f of a plus 1? In place of x you have to put a plus 1 into 4 minus a minus 1 minus f of a plus 1, a minus 1, that is a minus 1, 4 minus a plus 1, that is a plus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus a, minus of a minus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 minus a. And now you can simplify this. 3a minus a square plus 3 minus a minus 5a plus a square plus 5 minus a. Again you have to simplify. Minus a square plus a square cancel. 3a minus a, 2a minus 5a is minus 3a, and then minus 3a minus a minus 4a, and the constant terms 5 plus 3 is 8. So whether it is given in terms of this, or you can also take 4 as a common factor, then you get 2 minus a. that is available in first option. Question number 13. The domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 upon root of x minus 6 into x minus 9. ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ 0ಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 9 ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0, ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0. ಅದೇ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲನ್ನು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಟು 6. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. Similarly, 9 to infinity, this is also open interval. The union of these two must be the domain. So that is available in minus infinity to 6, union 9 to infinity, that is available in fourth option. Small changes ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 2x ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 2x ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ x square plus 2x minus 2 must be less than or equal to 0. Whenever an inequality is multiplied by a negative sign, then the inequality is reversed. X square plus 2x minus 2, let us add 3. X square plus 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 3. X plus 1 whole square is less than or equal to 3. It means that if you take the square root, less than or equal to ide, minus 3 is less than or equal to x plus 1 is less than or equal to plus root 3. That is minus root 3 minus 1 must be less than or equal to x must be less than or equal to root 3 minus 1. So that is available in second option. You can go for second option. Now one more question on relations and functions, that is question number 15. F of x is given to be x square minus 3x plus 1. And he has given one condition there, f of 2 alpha is equal to 2 into f of alpha. Then what must be the value of alpha? What is f of 2 alpha? 2 alpha whole square minus 3 into 2 alpha plus 1. 2 is into, what is f of alpha? F of alpha is alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 1. Four alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 1 is equal to 2 alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 2 plus 2. 4 alpha square minus 2 alpha square is 2 alpha square minus 6 alpha hoito is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. Alpha square is equal to 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So those options are available in option 3. So these 5 questions are covered from the relations and functions chapter. There I have concentrated only on the domain and to some extent composite functions from your second year syllabus also. Next, now let us move towards the statistics. So here also the questions are asked in a different manner, particularly for JEE. So there you have to concentrate on different types of problems. Particularly combined mean ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. The average marks of boys in a class is 52. The average marks, that is x1 bar, is given to be 52 and that of girls is x2 bar is 42. The average marks of boys and girls combined, so that is the combined mean is given. That combined mean, let us take it as x bar 50. The percentage of boys in the class is, very good question. So for combined mean you have the formula n1 into x1 bar plus n2 into x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. So what is the combined mean? 50. n1 is not known, that is the percentage of boys. What is x1 bar? 52. Let us take n2 as 100 minus n1, because n1 plus n2 is equal to 100. We are asked the percentage of boys into what is x2 bar? 42 divided by n1 plus n2. n1 plus n2. So let us take this as 100. 100 into 50, that gives you 5000 is equal to 52 n1 plus 4200 minus 42 n1. (52 n1 minus 42 n1 is 10 n1 is equal to 5000 minus 4200 is 800. So that n1 must be equal to 80. That is the percentage of boys is 80, percentage of girls is 20. So we can go for third option. Question number 17. For two data sets, each of size 5, the variances are given to be 4 and 5. Question number 17. So n1 is equal to n2 is equal to 5. Size is given. The variances are given to be 4. That is sigma 1 square is 4. Sigma 2 square is 5. And the corresponding means are given to be 2 and 4. x1 bar is 2 and x2 bar is 4. The variance of the combined data set. So here also you have a formula for combined variance which you have not learnt in your regular syllabus, annual syllabus. Combined variance, that is a sigma square is given to be 1 upon n1 plus n2 into n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 n2 divided by n1 plus n2 into x1 bar minus x2 bar whole square or x2 bar minus x1 bar whole square. So what is n1 and n2? They are of equal size, 5 plus 5, 10. n1 sigma 1 square, 5 into sigma 1 square is 5. 4 square is 16 plus n2 into sigma 2 square. N2 is also 5. What is sigma 2? 5. This is n1 into sigma 1 square. So you can, sigma 1 square value is itself 4. No need to square it again. 5 plus n1 n2, 5 into 5, 25, divide by 5 plus 5. x1 bar is 2, x2 bar is 4, 2 minus 4, minus 2 whole square is 4. Now you can simplify this, 1 upon 10, 20 plus 25 plus 2 2s are 2, 5s are 25 by 5 is 5. 5 into 2, that is 10. 20 plus 10, 30 plus 25, 55 by 10. So that is nothing but 11 by 2. That option is available in option 3. If each observation of a raw data whose variance is sigma square is multiplied by h, then the variance of the new set is multiplied by h square. That is, what is the original variance? Sigma square. So that must be equal to h square into sigma square. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಮೀನ್, ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವು ಮೂರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 19. A student obtains 75%, 80% and 85% in 3 subjects. If the marks of another subject is added, then his average cannot be less than. ನೋಡಿ, 3 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ average of those 3 subjects? We do not know. If the marks of another subject is added, so question number 19. Let us take the average. x1 plus x2 plus x3 divide by 3. So what is x1? 75 plus 80 plus 85 divide by 3. So that must be equal to 80. So what is the sum? x1 plus x2 plus x3, that must be equal to 240. Next ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, if the marks of another subject is added, let the marks of another subject be x4, then his average cannot be less than. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, that must be divided by 4. But x1 plus x2 plus x4 is 240 plus x4 divided by 4. 240 divided by 4 is 60 plus x4 by 4. That must be greater than or equal to 60. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ that can never be less than ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Then his average cannot be less than. So that must be greater than or equal to 60 andre that can never be less than 60%. So go for the first option. Question number 20. The mean of 5 observations is 4. Mean is given. and their variance is 5.2. Variance means sigma square, 5.2. If 3 of these observations are 1 to 6, then the other 2 are, very good question. ನೋಡಿ, 2 ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಇದೆ, 1 to 6. ಆ ಎರಡೂ ಅನ್ನೋನನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ, x and y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. So what is the mean of these observations? 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus x plus y divided by 5. That must be equal to 4. So that is 9 plus x plus y must be equal to 20. So what is x plus y? That x plus y must be equal to 11. This is the first equation that we get. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5.2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ whole square. Sigma x by n is nothing but mean. What is sigma x square? You have to take the square of these squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 6 square is 36, plus x square plus y square. Divide by n means 5. And this is nothing but mean. What is mean? 4. 4 square is 16. But what is variance? 5.2. 5.2 plus 16 is 21.2 into 5 is equal to 41 plus x square plus y square. That is 21 into 2, 105, 106 minus 41. That must be equal to x square plus y square. So x square plus y square must be equal to 65. So let us apply the inspection from these two equations. From these two equations, we can conclude that the values of x and y that satisfies these equations are 4 and 7. That is 4 plus 7 is 11, 4 square is 16, 7 square is 49. So x square plus y square value that gives you 65 here. So can you go for option 3? Yes. Next. Question number 21. This is a problem on trigonometry. If 1 plus sine theta plus sine square theta plus sine cube theta, etc. up to infinity. So this problem is solved many times in your test and exams. This is a problem on S infinity of a GP. That S infinity of a GP is given, that is given to be 4 plus 2 root 3. Then what are the possible values of theta? We are asked the possible values of theta. S infinity. It is question number 21. S infinity is equal to A upon 1 minus R. That S infinity is given to be 4 plus 2 root 3. What is A? A is 1 divided by 1 minus sine theta. 1 minus sine theta is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 2 root 3. So sine theta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon, ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನು ರೂಢಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 4 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 divided by 4 plus 2 root 3. That must be equal to sine theta. That is 3 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4 plus 2 root 3. Just you have to multiply by its conjugate. 4 minus 2 root 3. 4 minus 2 root 3. That is equal to sine theta. So 3 into 4. 12 minus 6 root 3 plus 8 root 3 minus 4 into 3, 12 divided by 16 minus 12, which is equal to sin theta. So sin theta is equal to 12 minus 12 cancel, 8 root 3 minus 6 root 3 is 2 root 3 divided by 16 minus 12 is 4. That gives you root 3 by 2. So sin theta is positive means theta lies either in the first quadrant for the value pi by 3 or in the second quadrant for the value pi minus pi by 3, which is equal to 2 pi by 3. So you have to go for pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3, that is available in fourth option. ನೋಡಿ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22. ಇಫ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta is equal to 2 divided by sin theta. So take the LCM, cos square plus sin square is 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2 divided by sin theta. Don't cancel sin theta here. Cross multiply. 2 sin theta cos theta transfer minus sin theta is equal to 0. Let us take sin theta as a common factor. You get 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So sin theta is equal to 0. This is one possibility. And cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So what is asked for us? Then the general value of theta. So here sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi agatte. This option is not available. But for this, theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha is pi by 3. So that option is available in first option. You can go for that one. Question number 23 is a very good question. Tan of theta plus 15 degree divided by tan of theta minus 15 degree, that must be equal to 3 by 1. Let us take the component and dividendo. Tan of theta plus 15 plus tan of theta minus 15, this is componendo. Dividendo, tan of theta plus 15 degree minus tan of theta minus 15 degree, 3 plus 1 4 divided by 3 minus 1 2. Just if you write this as sin by cos, just I will simplify that one. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು, sin of theta plus 15 divided by cos of theta plus 15 plus sin of theta minus 15 divided by cos of theta minus 15. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ sin by cos minus cos by sin. So take the LCM, sin of theta plus 15 cos of theta minus 15 minus cos of theta plus 15 into sin of theta minus 15 divided by sin of theta plus 15 into cos of theta minus 15. minus cos of theta minus 15 into sin of theta plus 15. Okay. This is clearly sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is the formula for sin of A plus B, theta plus 15 plus theta minus 15. This is sin A cos B minus sin A cos B, cos of theta plus 15, minus cos A sin B, sin B, sin by cos. This is also sin by cos. Sin of theta plus 15, cos of theta minus 15 minus cos of theta plus 15, sin of theta minus 15, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is the formula for sin of A minus B. This is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is sin of A minus B, theta plus 15. In the numerator you have plus here. Okay. In the denominator you have minus. Minus B, theta minus theta plus 15 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ sin 2 theta ಉಳಿತು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ sin 30 degree ಉಳಿತು. That must be equal to 4/2 is 2. What is sin 2 theta? So write it as it is. Sin 30 value is 1/2. 2 into 1/2 is 1/1. So sin 2 theta is 1 means 2 theta is equal to 1 pi/4. Therefore pi/2. So theta must be equal to pi/4. So that is available in fourth option. Question number 24. sin square x ನೋಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು sin x ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು sin x by secant x ಅನ್ನು cos x ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. sin x by cos x plus √3, keep it as it is, tan x is equal to 0. So this is clearly sin x into tan x plus √3 tan x. That must be equal to 0. Now take tan x as a common factor. If you take tan x as a common factor, then you get sin x plus √3 is equal to 0. So tan x is equal to 0, alpha is equal to 0, so x is equal to n pi. But sin x cannot be equal to minus √3, which is a less than -1. So that value does not exist. So what is the general value of the x here? That x is equal to n pi, that is available in third option. Question number 25. Again it is a problem on general solution. Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. That is minus sin square theta plus sin theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Sin square theta minus sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So factorize this. Sin theta minus 2 is one factor into sin theta plus 1 is another factor, that must be equal to 0. So sin theta cannot be equal to 2. Sin theta is equal to -1. So theta must be equal to 3 pi/2 because that lies on the negative y axis. So this value lies in which interval ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಿದೆ, 5 pi/4 ಅಂದರೆ 45 into 5 225 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7 pi/4 45 into 7 that is 315. 225 ಇಂದ 315 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವರೆಗೂ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನು 3 pi/2 ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮೂರನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನು pi/4 45, 3 pi by 4, 45 into 3, that is 135 degree. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಸೊ 225 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು 315 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಭಾಳ ದಿವಸ ಆಯಿತು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ, ನೆನಪಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕೇ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 6, 12, 12, 18 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು 4, 22 ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಿಂದನೇ. ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ CET ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ JEE ವಿತೌಟ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅದನ್ನು CET ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ. ಬಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಕೂತು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತೋ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ JEE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಟೈಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ skilled work. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow let us discuss one more paper.